In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render tables in Slack Markdown. If you've ever tried to type a Markdown table in Slack, you know it doesn't display like it does on other platforms. The quickest, most reliable way to share a clean, readable table is to build it in a spreadsheet and paste it straight into Slack. Slack recognizes the grid and formats it for you, so your rows and columns line up and your teammates can scan the data easily. This approach works great for status reports, small data summaries, or quick comparisons, and it saves you from wrestling with manual spacing. Start by opening your Google Sheet that contains the data you want to share. Make sure the table is laid out in a simple rectangular range, headers in the first row, no merged cells, and consistent column widths. Keeping things tidy here ensures Slack renders the layout clearly on both desktop and mobile. Next, highlight the exact cells you want to include. Click and drag from the top left cell to the bottom right cell of your table, or use Shift plus the arrow keys to extend the selection. Include the headers if you want them to appear in Slack. Then copy the selection. Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows. Copying from Sheets preserves the grid structure that Slack can interpret. Now switch to Slack and navigate to the direct message or channel where you want to post the table. Pick the conversation where your audience will need this data, and remember that channels make the information discoverable for the whole team. Click into the message composer and paste. You should immediately see a preview that looks like a table with distinct columns and rows. Slack takes the content and formats it so it's easy to read, without any extra markup from you. When you're ready, press Enter to send. Your table will post as a neatly formatted block. If you want to add context before sharing, type your note above the pasted table first, then send when it looks right. A few quick pointers to keep things looking great. If your table is very wide, consider narrowing columns or reducing text in the sheet before you copy, so it fits comfortably in Slack. Avoid special styling like background colors or merged headers. Plain grid data transfers best. Keep column labels short and clear to improve readability. And if you need to update numbers later, edit them in the sheet and paste a fresh copy so the Slack view stays accurate. That's it. Build in Sheets, copy, paste into Slack, and send. You'll get clear, professional